This is my 1 minute quick festival look using products from Feel Unique. So first you're going to pick a jewel, and I've chosen the Iridescent Aura Face Jewel. Then I'm just going to go ahead and peel that off and just sort of roughly get an idea about where you want to put it. And then I'm going to lightly press down on it for 5 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and grab the peel off glitter glue and a brush, and I'm just going to place a bit of that on the back of my hand. I'm just going to then pop that where I want the glitter to go. I'm then going to grab the Ice Queen glitter and a clean brush, and I'm just going to press that into the glue. To finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Lime Crime Diamond Crusher topper, and I'm just going to place that all over my lips. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed following the tutorial, and remember to like and subscribe.